Next up, we'll hear from Dawn Wilson, who is a TA and a mother in Durham Public Schools.
As Millie said, I not only work in the public school system, I am a mother of a child who belongs and have enjoyed being in the public school system. I believe that our teachers should be supported more so that they can support our students more. Every child deserves the education that we have promised them and our elected leaders have promised them. Our students deserve updated books, updated technology, updated resources. My son and your children deserve, instead of tests that measure how much our teachers are worth, they should have people around them who know our child's worth. That's what's promised to them every day. Our state is now willing to spend thousands of dollars to fight an unjust bill that discriminates, divides, and removes our students from receiving everything that's promised to them. But the same state says that we and they cannot afford to pay teachers, instructional assistants, resource specialists, and school nurses. Our leaders look us in the eye and make cuts to health care, after-school programs, and early child care programs. These are all items that are very essential that these families depend on. So instead of spending our thousands of dollars on things that we do not need, spend it where our students deserve more every single day. They deserve more in the classrooms. Our teachers deserve more. Everybody deserves more in the state of North Carolina.